Hi everybody, it's Brad again. They're called ice plants. I got them at Callaway's also when I bought the succulents that I made the succulent garden with. And I'm gonna repot these into a bigger pot because it said these will get about 6 inches tall. They're good for ground cover, they hang over the pot, and I just thought they'd be kind of pretty. And I liked the little flowers. That one was pretty, and this one has a pretty flower, but there was some there that had the same color of flower that was real pretty, so I got to see what color they were, but I didn't like the way those plants looked, so I didn't get those plants. I got this one instead. And I want to say thank you for watching my videos. Hit the like and subscribe button, and make comments on all of it if you would like. This is the pot that I'm going to put these two plants in, because it said they get, like I said, 4 to 6 inches tall, and I believe it was 8 to 10 inches in diameter. So first thing I'm going to do is take a little piece of landscaping cloth and cover up the hole in the bottom, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get my little handy dandy bag or container of spacers. It's mostly wine corks and rocks that I've picked up, and I'm just going to drop them in the bottom of here. I'm not putting a whole bunch in there, just enough to kind of cover the bottom. Now then, I'm just going to take this soil that I made just a few minutes ago and just kind of pour in here. I took this little silver cup and I put, I think it was 4 cups of potting soil, 2 cups of sand you would use in a sandbox for a kid, and a cup and a half of pea gravel. And I'm just going to put it in here because these plants, it said, really likes well-drained soil. They don't do well if they're in water. And they were native to South Africa, I believe it said. It's taking too long to pour it in there like that, so I'm just going to pour it in here like this. See if I made enough. Probably not, considering that was all I made. Well, okay, if you'll look over here, I'm just putting, like I said, here's a couple of scoops of potting soil. I'll probably put 3 scoops. And this is potting soil that I have already used probably 3 or 4 times. Now I'm going to put some pea gravel in it. And it's already got some pea gravel mixed in it, so I'm not going to mix a whole bunch in it. And then I'm going to put, a couple of scoops of this sand. And if anyone's wondering why I didn't get potting soil out of this one, it's because it's empty and I didn't feel like moving some up to it. Yeah, I'll do that off camera. Now then, you just have to kind of mix this all up. If ants get in here, they eat the grits, and the grits cause them to dehydrate, and it kills the ants. I think I'll put me just a little bit of Epsom salt, and last but not least, if I can get it open, I'm going to put a little bit of chicken poop in here. That should have everything covered. And if anyone's wondering why I didn't put anything like this in the succulents. I didn't put it in there because I don't think you want it in succulents. Now then, all I'm doing is mixing it all up, getting it nice and mixed up. Now I think I want to see where I want to put my plants. Let's get these little dead pieces off. I tried to pick a lot of this dead off before I started videoing. Now here, all I'm going to do is kind of break this root ball up. And put it over in my other little pan that I have sitting up there. Y'all, I'm just going to pull quite a bit of this off because it is saturated with water. I don't like doing a whole lot of this to the roots, but this smells like it's rotted. So I'm assuming it has been way overwatered. Y'all, I'm not forcing any of these roots out. I'm just pulling some dirt out. And if it comes easily, that's what I take. If it doesn't come out easy, I'll leave it alone. That's why I'm going to leave this on there. But I'm going to kind of prop that up there. And I'm going to see about pouring a little bit of this soil around the edges. Because I'm really hoping my two colors of flowers mix real well. So I kind of want these both planted in the center of my pot. Okay, now let's see if I can do this one. This one's just as wet. That's sad when it just falls off like that. And I've never had an ice plant, but the instructions kept saying these are really easy to grow. And I'm one of those I just like to get the different kinds of plants and see how well I can do with them. I wonder if I can do this like this. How about if I turn this and use this bare piece and kind of do them like that? You think that'll work? I'm gonna have to make it just a tad bit more. See, I think if those grow together, I think they'll be pretty. Okay, I gotta make a tad bit more dirt. Ooh, a rock. Ooh, another rock. Okay, y'all, I got my soil made. Now I can turn my thing. Maybe work a little better. Okay, y'all. That's about done. I knew it wouldn't take much more. But he's about done. Now then I'm just going to do a little bit of watering because the soil I have that I use is really dry. And I just thought I probably want to move it before I put a whole lot of water in it because it's going to be heavy. These are just little pieces that when I was picking out dead, they were in the pot. And I don't know if they'll root, but we'll see. Okay, that's going to have to be that one. Oh, y'all, I forgot. Thank you for watching my videos. Hit like and subscribe. And make comments if you would like. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.